Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to block someone on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and you have multiple options to block someone. So for example, if you are in the conversation with that person, you have to open the conversation and after that click on the picture of that person. And after that, click on edit. Not edit. Click on the three lines near to search. And after that, as you can see, there is the last option. The red one is called block user. You have to click on it. Or also you can long press on the message. And after that, you will have the option also to click on the picture of that person and also click on more and click block user. Or also you can go to your contacts and choose anyone and long press on his name. And after that, you can click on his picture as always or his name. And after that, go and click on block user as always. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.